Now we will learn that how to make document proofreading. In Review tab, we have Proofing group and it has options like spellings and grammar, translate, etc. First we have to type the meaningful text. We can observe that when we make spelling mistake, then it will correct the wrong word. If we make any spelling mistake, then it will shows red color underline for that word and it will shows green color underline for grammar mistake. We have to give right click here and then it will shows suggestions. This is, these are. If we click on these suggestions, then it will replace here. In same way, if we give right click here, then it will shows correct words. If we click on it, then it will replace. We can also see the same thing in spelling and grammar option. This is the word which we given and here it will shows the suggestions. If we click on this button, then it will change the word. If we click ignore once button, then underline will not shows, but it will not change the word which we given. Now I am clicking on this button and it is changed. In same way, I am selecting this one and click on change button. Like this, we can check the spelling and grammar mistakes in the document. Next option is research. When we click on this option, then it will shows research task plan. Here I am giving word about. Next I am selecting all reference books and click on start searching. But we should have internet connection for some other searches like North America English, English Assistance US, etc. And here we can see thesaurus. It means synonyms and it will shows nouns, verbs and some other related words. These are the French synonyms. Next one is translation. With the help of this option, we can translate from one language to another language. For example, we can translate from English US to French and click on this arrow mark. For this, we should have internet connection. Like this, we can use research option. When we click on thesaurus option, then it will shows synonyms for the selected words. These are the synonyms for the word dictionary and we can also replace these words. Like this, we can see thesaurus. Next option is translate. Here we can translate from English US to French. When the French dictionary is available, then it will translate into French language. Next we have option translate screen tip. Here I am selecting this option. When we place the cursor on selected word, then it will shows French word dictionary and its some other related French words. Like this, it will shows selected words from one language to another language. Next option is set language. Generally we used US English. If other languages are available, then we can select that language. Next option is word count. It will shows that number of pages, words, characters, characters with spaces, paragraphs, lines in a document.